टीम बिल्डिंग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन।
प्रणाम। मैं प्रोफेसर अश्विनी अग्रवाल 4D इन्फ्यूजर इंस्टीट्यूट काल सर्कल दिल्ली से बात कर रहा हूं और हम लोग प्रैक्टिकल सनातनता के ऊपर आजकल एक सीरीज बना रहे हैं। ये प्रैक्टिकल सनातनता यानी आदि से अंत तक एक जैसा। आज हमने एक बहुत ही टिपिकल सा एक सब्जेक्ट चूज किया। आज का थीम जो जिसको थीम कह सकते हो आप या सब्जेक्ट जो भी कहो कि टीम यानी कुछ लोग मिलकर के एक प्रोजेक्ट को एग्जीक्यूट करें। तो टीम यानी टेम्परेरी एसोसिएशन ऑफ मेंबर्स। टीम यानी टेम्परेरी एसोसिएशन ऑफ मेंबर्स। टेम्परेरी मीन्स with respect to a project. So its duration is fixed, defined by the project. Duration can be anything between 1 to 10 to 15 to 20 to 1 minute, about 1 minute. The duration of the team functioning can be from 1 minute to one lifespan, you can say. There are projects which can be executed like this. There are projects which needs years. There are projects which needs lives. So the key here, what we are trying to understand, this is known to everybody, but the problem what we are trying to understand is that how to make a team, how to become. First thing what one has to learn is how to become a team member. The most important thing in life is how to become a team member. That should be the education. We are wasting time on the education which is currently teaching you nothing. It is not giving you nothing actually. It doesn't teach you how to become a member of the team. It doesn't teach you how to make a team. It just teaches you how to manage, how to be a manager. Managing without team, what will you manage? Then you shift it to fund management. Fund management, when there is no team, there is no funds possible, then how will you have the fund management? So, before management, administration is the key. That too, administration means first training, first teaching, first education to the new generation or the generation getting into education should be how to become a team member. Very, very important. Our MBA, we are doing MBA management, but we are not teaching how to become a team member. Unless you become a team member, you cannot become a team leader. So you have no choice but to become a team manager. And team manager, the project failure of project is not because of team. It is because of how to become. No one has taught, no one has learnt how to become a team member or how to choose a team for a project. Missing, totally missing. So practical Sanatanta has started talking about team building administration. The most important area which is totally missing, and it is said, this paragraph I made, which I don't know how to share it in this, but I will read it out. The team is temporary association of members. Then how to select a member, how to become a member, one has to learn that how I can become a team member. This concept, since this concept is missing, we are working on all other so many things, wasting everything, all resources are getting wasted. and we don't know how to become a team member. So I would like to point out that we must understand how to become a team member. We must learn that. That should be the first learning. First learning at what stage? It cannot be at the stage of 5 years, 6 years. It comes, if you look at the games, there is hardly any game which is not team based. We are trying to learn team. We are trying to get to manage to the team. We have only reached to the manage to the team. If team is not available, then what will you manage? So the first step should be how to become a team member. And this is the Adi, this is the beginning of life, which should start at the age of 11 years. Hexadecimal 11. I am not talking about decimal anymore. Because we are using all these gadgets, all digital is hexagonal, hexadecimal. So we are talking of hexadecimal system. So at the age of 11 according to hexadecimal यानी 16 साल के बाद आपको ये सीखना, सबसे पहला स्टेप आपका सीखने का होना चाहिए हाउ टू बिकम अ टीम मेंबर. TBAF, the program is called this 4D Infusion Institute has started this program, and the first foundation is TBAF, Team Building Administration Foundation, means learn how to become a team member. Then you have to learn how to become a team, how to choose a team member. Very, very important. Abhi we have not entered into choosing the team leader yet. So the advanced course TBAF Foundation, that is how to become a team member. Then TBAA is how to choose a team. This is very important to be learned. That how to choose a team for a particular activity. And then it comes to choose a team leader. Whereas what is happening? If you go to the concept of Bhed Bakri, then you have no choice. There is no learning. They already, imagine that all Bhed, especially Bhed or Bakris, they are so best. They are the best teams. One Bhed, if changes the direction, all Bhed follow. Here the problem is that they are born with that capability of becoming a member. Whereas when we are human, everything has to be learned. Female is a quick learner, but self-learner, quick learner. But male, everything has to be taught. He has to be made to learn everything. If you make him learn wrong, he will do wrong. And teaching is the responsibility of the female. माँ को पहला गुरु कहा गया है. Mother is the first teacher of the child, because she is the one who keeps the child in womb for 9 months almost. So very, very important that she should teach the child how to become a team member. Very important. If you look at the example of Abhimanyu, again, he didn't know how to make a team. He alone was as a one person, fine. But ultimately team is required. For every activity in the universe, in the world, on the planet, for each and every activity, team is required. More than one person is needed. And two is the team. Two is the team. Hence, we have no choice left but to understand, learn, not only understand, learn properly without any error how to become a team member. Very, very important. And unless we know this, unless we learn this flaw free, we cannot fulfill any responsibility even to our body. Nothing is possible. Everything is waste. If you do not know how to become a team member, then again if you have learned how to become a team member, then definitely you will be able to learn easily how to choose the team member for a project. Now, learning a team member is for everybody. Everyone has to learn how to become a team member. How to choose a team member is the key to the concerned person who is going to execute the project. He may not be a team leader, but he will be able to pick the best team for the project. And then within that team, you have to pick the leader. Indian system, in American system, you pick the president and then he builds the team. Unless he knows how to choose the team for the project, system is bound to fail. Unless the members know how to become a team member, the project is bound to fail. In India, the system is a little different. Democracy was the technology given by whom? Do you know that? It was given by Maharaja Agrasen 6,000 years back. And to train people on that technology was started by Guru Sandipni 6,000 years back. Guru Sandipni, where Krishna went to study. जहां पर कृष्ण ने शिक्षा प्राप्त की थी, उनके गुरु थे गुरु सांदीपनी। और महाराजा अग्रसेन, उन्होंने तो पूरा गणतंत्र की व्यवस्था ही उन्होंने की थी। गणतंत्र व्यवस्था उन्होंने ही दी थी। कृष्ण राज्य की स्थापना गणतंत्र व्यवस्था पर ही आधारित है और इंडियन सिस्टम कुछ हद तक उसको फॉलो करता है, पूरी नहीं पर कुछ हद तक उसको फॉलो करता है कि यहां पर वो चुने जाते हैं, एमएलए और एमपी चुने जाते हैं, काउंसलर्स चुने जाते हैं अलग से। इसमें फ्लॉ क्या है? फ्लॉ ये है कि हमें एक्चुअली काउंसलर्स चुनने चाहिए और काउंसलर्स चुनने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप वोटिंग करो, ये सिस्टम गलत है। काउंसलर्स चुनने चाहिए वोटिंग से नहीं, काउंसलर्स चुनने चाहिए जो बुद्धिजीवी टीम है। पूरे हर शहर में ना कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो उनको रिस्पेक्ट मिलती है बुद्धिजीवी होने की। पढ़ाई लिखाई से बुद्धिजीवी नहीं होता, डिग्री का मतलब बुद्धिजीवी नहीं होता है। तो बुद्धिजीवी वर्ग होता है, हर एक जगह होता है। तो वो बुद्धिजीवी वर्ग सबसे सलाह करके पंचायत का जो सिस्टम होता था, पंचायत का सिस्टम जो है महाराजा अग्रसेन का शुरू किया हुआ है। ये बात शायद पता नहीं कोई जो लोग जानते हैं कि नहीं जानते हैं। और टीम सिलेक्शन का जो गणतंत्र व्यवस्था की इंप्लीमेंटेशन का जो सिस्टम है वो महाराजा उग्रसेन का दिया हुआ है। और जो शिक्षा है, जो उसके लिए ट्रेनिंग है, वो संदीपनी गुरु की दी हुई है। 3 लोग हैं ये, महाराजा अग्रसेन जिन्होंने गणतंत्र व्यवस्था दी, महाराजा उग्रसेन जिन्होंने गणतंत्र व्यवस्था को इंप्लीमेंट करने का तरीका बताया, और तीसरे जो है वो क्या कहते हैं गुरु सांदीपनी जिन्होंने उसकी शिक्षा का प्रबंध किया। तो टीम, और ये सबका आधार क्या है? टीम। क्योंकि हर जगह पर टीम की जरूरत है, कोई भी काम बिना टीम के हो ही नहीं सकता। आपकी एग्जिस्टेंस ही नहीं है अगर टीम नहीं है तो। जंगल में जाओगे तो जंगल में जानवरों की टीम बनेगी, टीम तो बनेगी ही बनेगी। पेड़ पौधों की टीम बनाओगे, टीम के बिना गुजारा नहीं है, टीम तो चाहिए ही चाहिए, हर काम के लिए चाहिए। तो टीम का मेंबर बनना सीखना अति आवश्यक है। अब इसमें कुछ क्वालिटीज दी हैं टीम मेंबर बनने की। इसमें कहते हैं कि ईच मेंबर ऑफ द टीम मस्ट हैव ए टीम इन हिमसेल्फ, टीम ऑफ ब्रेन एंड माइंड। मन और बुद्धि दो चीजें हैं जिनकी टीम अगर नहीं बनेगी तो आप कोई प्रोजेक्ट में कामयाब हो नहीं सकते, गारंटी है। तो पहला नियम क्या है? ईच मेंबर हैज टू हैव ए टीम ऑफ ब्रेन एंड माइंड, ब्रेन एंड माइंड। देन सेकेंड रिक्वायरमेंट, ईच मेंबर हैज टू हैव 5 सीड एनालिसिस। Very important. Each living person has 5 bodies. So they are called 5 seeds. So 5 seed analysis of each person of the team has to be there. Without it, you cannot become a team member. Then the Sang Chakra of each individual, functional and all team members should have a similar speed. The Sang Chakra. What is the Sang Chakra? The Sang Chakra is 5 senses, 5 कर्मेंद्रिया, 5 ज्ञानेंद्रिया, 5 sense organs, 5 functional organs. The Sang Chakra has to be functional. Otherwise you cannot become a team member. Not possible, not practically possible. And all the team members should have the Sang Chakra should be functioning in the similar speed. Otherwise, they are bound to fail. The team activity is bound to fail. Slow or more, higher or more, lesser, I am not talking. I am talking similar speed. The Sang Chakra, very, very important. And each team member should be 4D certified. Each team member should be 4D certified. What is the 4D certification? Most important certification for becoming a team member is 4D certification. And what is 4D certification? 4D certification means, 4D here means relevant delivery, delivery. 4D, first D is delivery, which is connected with your qualification. So your qualification should be relevant to the project. 4D certified, I am talking about. The first D is delivery. Related to delivery is linked with your qualification. Then second step is desired. Second D, desired. Desired is health condition. Your health in all respect must be okay. Otherwise you cannot become a team member. The team is going to lose. Third D, deserving. Deserving is family structure. That you should get your perfect family. Your family should be perfect. How? family can be perfect. All members of the family must have learned how to become a team member. Family is the first team. So, only those team members are deserving to become a part of the team who have family, who are a part of a family team, family as a team. Then only he will understand or she will understand. Then fourth D is devotion. What is devotion? Devotion is nothing but remuneration. Salary you are going to get out of that project, money you are going to get, wealth you are going to get. So that comes with devotion. So 4D certification is must. If the person doesn't have this 4D certification, he is not supposed to become a team member. You are not supposed to choose him as a team member. Then if female is a member of the team, now very important, if female is a member of the team, then make sure that her CCC chakra is functional. And if you have more than one female in the team, then all the CCC chakra of all the three should be not only functional, running at the same speed. Similar speed, okay, plus minus 10% tolerance is allowed. But it has to be functional. And sixth sense should be fully awakened, fully functional of the female. Then only you have to take her to the team, not otherwise. And mind it, family is the first team. So it is very, very important. All these parameters which I am telling you is very important for each individual, and they can be learnt only at the age of 17, beyond 17. Beyond 16. 16 plus. Each person should learn this, and these are the parameters which I have told. Sixth sense is very important. It belongs to tunnel of love. So, very, very important. All these things. This is the team constitution I have conveyed. So, understand this for the day. This is the end of the day. Today I have only conveyed about the concept of the team. That's it.